What's going on, everybody? It is, you don't need to know my name, but I am back to I'm making an easier video than everything else I've really shown so far. The delay on the videos, I I moved for one, and also school and stuff. So you know, it's a long story short, or short story long. If you really wanted to hear it, then go ahead and ask me, and then I might tell you. But in the meantime, let's just go ahead and roll the intro, I guess. Okay, so if you obviously read the title, then you clicked on the video, and if you clicked on the video, now you're right here. And if you went to the intro part and you went through all that, then now you're right here where I am right now. So good job, you're here, you're already a few steps in front of everybody else. So this video is how to make a clipping mask, and if you don't know what that is, well, you're in luck, because I'm about to show you. So the first thing you are going to want to do, and it's the most important thing of anybody's journey onto Photoshop, and that's go ahead and grab that text, and then you're going to click on whatever. You're just going to click on the screen where, I mean, you need your file. Obviously you need to make your background. So if you want it white like I do, then you'll keep it white, or you make a background. But first, I'm going to show you, and the best way I can explain a clipping mask is probably a logo inside of another logo. Yeah, I explained that pretty well. I mean, that's pretty much what it is. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to show you with a font. Let's just choose a font here. Let's go, ooh, there's so many to choose from. Let's go Love Story. That's kind of cute. And let's just say I want to do like a nature background. I just popped my wrist. That felt amazing. Let's just say I want to do a nature background. So first off, I go, I'll just say nature background. Yeah. All right. Explains exactly what I want by nature background. So I'm not going to do anything to it. Pretty simple. Just leave it as is. Well, I made it bigger. Technically I did something, so I already contradicted myself. But the next thing you're going to do is you're going to grab a picture. Any picture you want. Literally any picture. Your imagination can be endless here. Okay, so I found the picture, and as you can see, I did the American flag. Why did I do the American flag? Well, I don't know. I'm in America, but okay. Let's what you do now, I'm gonna let it sit, so I check the check mark, and I'm gonna go right click, and then I'm gonna go create clipping mask, as you see right here, and blip, what in the world, it's now inside whatever it's above. I mean, it's the best way of explaining it. You can do it with many different things, but now I actually have control of the logo in the background too, so I can move it to size. As you can see, it doesn't look good, nor is it even a nature background like I said. So let me let me grab a nature background. Let me just grab one really fast. Pictures, nature background right there. Blip. Cool. Nature background. Grand Canyons, I'm guessing. Now let's do what the picture entails. Let's just get rid of that. The American flag. Create clipping mask, and boom, it's there. Okay, nice. Now we can also, if we want to, we can group these together, and so now we can move them as one. Now it's part of it, it's one with it, and you know, if you really wanted to, now you can really see that it's all a part of the same thing. It's super easy to use. Honestly, you can use it quite literally for anything. If I really wanted to, again, you just switch the text. This is a text example. You can do it inside of logos. I mean, quite literally the combinations are endless, and that is literally all I have for you. I mean, you could do different fonts, such as, I have some cool fonts. Wow, I didn't realize that. Yeah, this one, that's really cool. All right, and then if you really wanted to make some, like, we can put some drop shadow in there. make it even cooler than it already is. My goodness, this is looking good though. Kinda. And now, what? Now you got a nature background, literally. And it explains it too. But you can't take it, it's mine. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one.